What's up, YouTube? Gonna be showing y'all how to change a cabin air filter on the 2015 Jeep Cherokee. You just walk around here to the passenger compartment. On the passenger side, right under the glove box. We'll go right here to the compartment. Now on the passenger side of the compartment, underneath the glove box, this here, you just want to safely pull this panel out from the clips. You got these 3 clips here, holding it in. Then right here, this door here, you just want to remove it. So just remove it like so. Comes off. You look inside of there, that's that old one. Take that old one out. It's the old one. It's very bad. Take the new one. Make sure you're the proper direction. The airflow says it wants it to go that way, so you want to make sure it's facing that way when you put it in. And just take it, bend it up a little bit like that, slide it in there, just like so. Once you get it in there, you want to take your door back. Put your door back. Remove the old cabin filter out the way. Take that door. Stick that door back on there. Make sure the clips are aligned. 1, 2, 3. And just snap them back in place. And that's how you change and remove and install the cabin air filter on the 2015 Jeep Cherokee. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.